Hi, welcome to the short tutorials. In this video, I will show you how you can basically create a public profile on the Snapchat. So first of all, you have to update your Snapchat mobile application. Go to your Play Store and you have to search for the Snapchat from here. And right now my Snapchat is up to date, but if your Snapchat is not up to date, simply you have to update it from here. Now go back and open the Snapchat again, and in the Snapchat you have to click on the profile icon on the left top, and you will see settings option on the right side, and scroll up. You have to search for the who can contact me, make it everyone. Now go back and now you have to click on the send me notification, make it everyone. View my story, make it everyone. See me in quick add, show me in quick add, select this, and once you will do all this, now go back and here you will find a my public profile option and tap on it and create the profile from here. So I have already created my profile. So this is the procedure to create a public profile on the Snapchat. Hope this video will helpful for you. So if you have any question, ask me in the comment section. Also give a like to my video. Thank you.